Welcome to Bendy Ventures. It is the day before renovations start on our house finally. So let's do a walkthrough to see what it looks like, and I'll talk about what we're changing. So this is the kitchen the way it is now. All of the cabinets and counters are going to get ripped out. We're putting recessed lighting in, new counters, new cabinets. There's going to be space for the refrigerator, the stove, the dishwasher, a brand new sink. We're taking out this wall here. That's completely going away. And instead there'll be an island in the middle, and it's going to open it up into the living room. We're taking out all the floor, all this tile is going away. All of this weird flagstone in the living room. You can see what a strange job they did before it. They sort of just placed it on top of whatever was there. So there's two different height levels. Oh, I'm just noticing there's a little paw print in there. This feels very DIY, and I don't know why they did it, but we're getting rid of it. And instead it's going to be a cohesive, dark wood colored vinyl the whole way through, so that it'll tie everything together. Or of course, changing all the paint in here. This is all going to be white or gray, something like that. More clean and modern. Again, the floor in here is going. And then this is another major renovation in the bathrooms. This is I guess you'd call it Jack and Jill situation for the bathrooms. Again, a really odd way they designed it. The sink is out here, and then there's two doorways into each individual bathroom. So in this one, it's only a toilet and then another sink for some reason. And then over here, it's the tub, shower, and another toilet. So it's a weird sort of 1.5 bath situation, really odd. And you can see that there's a door here leading into this bedroom, and then over here there was a door leading into that bedroom. So here's the plan. This door is getting walled off. A wall is getting put between these two. This is completely going away. And so this entrance will be the main bathroom for everyone, guest, whatever, or whoever's staying in this room. And it will have the sink, toilet, and a standing shower. Then, since this is walled off, this will become the ensuite sort of master bathroom that connects to this bedroom, and then it will have sink, toilet, and the tub/shower. So that way we'll end up with 2 full bathrooms rather than this weird rigmarole. In this room, not too much needs to be done. The floor is getting taken up just so that it matches everything else. We already painted the walls with this nice eggshell white that my wife picked out. And not that you can tell on camera, but we added a scent to it. So this room smells like lavender. It's really, really nice. Okay, and then in here, this is the 3rd bedroom that we use as an office, and it's this really ugly wood paneling the whole way through, including on the floor is some kind of weird wood thing. That's all getting ripped up, and again, will be replaced with the same. So we'll have the same vinyl the whole way through the house, and then we're going to paint these walls to match everything else. So that's the plan for renovations.